Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Pillsbury cornbread swirls. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a perfect batch every time. First, gather your ingredients. 1 package of Pillsbury cornbread mix, 1/3 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You can also prepare any optional add-ins like cheese or jalapenos now. Now, let's mix the batter. In a medium bowl, combine the Pillsbury cornbread mix, the 1/3 cup of milk, and the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir these ingredients together until they are just moistened. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cornbread. If you're adding cheese or other ingredients, gently fold them in now. Next, we'll form the swirls. Lightly grease a 12-cup muffin tin. Spoon the cornbread batter evenly into each cup, filling them about 2/3 full. To create the swirl effect, take a small knife or a toothpick and gently drag it through the batter in a circular motion. This simple step adds a lovely visual appeal to your finished cornbread. Finally, it's time to bake and serve your delicious cornbread swirls. Place the muffin tin into your preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes, or until the tops are golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool for a few minutes before removing from the tin. Enjoy your warm, homemade cornbread swirls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.